This is OnePlus Nord, and today in this video I like to share you guys OnePlus Nord full review after 2 months. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout, so let's start the video. OnePlus Nord comes with 6.44-inch Fluid AMOLED display with HDR10 and 90Hz, 86.7% skin to body ratio, 1080 into 2400 pixel, phone protected by Gorilla Glass 5. OnePlus Nord comes with Android 10 with Oxygen OS. OnePlus Nord using chipset Snapdragon 765G with 12GB RAM and 256GB ROM with UFS 2.1. Snapdragon 765G. You can play Call of Duty and PUBG very smoothly. PUBG you can play smooth to extreme, HDR to ultra. I am already making a dedicated video about OnePlus Nord, PUBG and Call of Duty. Link in the video description and below. Go there and check this video. Now talk about the battery. OnePlus Nord comes with 4115 mAh battery with 30 watt fast charger. You can charge your phone 0 to 70% only 30 minutes. OnePlus Nord comes with quad camera setup. 48 megapixel primary lens, 26 mm wide with 1.8 aperture, 8 megapixel 119° ultra wide with 2.3 aperture, 2 megapixel depth with 2.4 aperture and 2 megapixel macro with 2.4 aperture. Main camera you can record highest 4K 30 and 60 fps video, and you also record 240 fps slow motion video. OnePlus Nord also comes with dual selfie camera, 32 megapixel primary lens with 2.5 aperture and 8 megapixel ultra wide 2.5 aperture. Selfie camera you also record 4K 30 and 60 fps video. You also use GCAM. I am already making a video about GCAM and S2 camera comparison. Link in the video description line below. Go there and watch this video. Overall, OnePlus Nord is still pretty well and good phone. This is the best phone I think OnePlus made in the mid-range. So this is all about OnePlus Nord full review after 2 months. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.